Hey, you guys. Welcome back to Love, to Learn, to Laugh. It's your choice. It's your half. It's your girl. It's your neighbor. It's your friend at the store. Who cash out your well, I can't cash on nobody's food. My math is horrible. But thanks for coming. I was waiting on you. This is my little 29.99 do I was telling y'all about. Um, just to fake it, I cut. I'm doing the salt and peppers here. Salt and peppers here. We in effect the asymmetrical, because I didn't know what women meant when they was like, I'm older, I'm hot, I can't wear long hair. Now I know I'm there. So I did the rings, bling bling. Just want the over ring, over jewelry, because it's my necklace little piece. So just kind of messing it up because the camera is so backwards. So this hair in my face, I'm probably just gonna, it ain't gonna look right. But refer to so many wonderful hair lady videos, women, men, just awesome real hair tips from a real hair person. Whoever you use, click on them for this. But this is a wig. Um, and I just trimmed it like because I get really hot and stuff. And I did want to know about the mask. Are you wearing them? Like I was thinking, like I could put it on, but my earrings, my hair, you don't want your hair to fall off while you putting on the mask. So whatever, whatever, clever. Hey, if you got these tags, anything with tags on them that you know you can't fit, that you know you ain't lost the weight yet. You might, you will, but like you'll never be a size 2 again if you're 42. Like you could, but you'll probably be sick. So clean out your closet, donate them to an organization, give it to your friend, give it to your niece, your daughter. The shoes, I was thinking about the shoes. Like stuff you know you can't wear. Like some of this stuff is just too hot. Well, this one ain't as high as this one. I wear this with my church dress. But these ones, I said I'm gonna wear these. Incorporate your shoes that you're not wearing. Yes, I wear 11, 10. I have wide feet. 10, 11 because it's wide, or 10 wide. But wear your shoes because you don't know like what's gonna happen. It's the corona. Put your shoes on, wear your stuff, and if you can't wear it, give it away, donate it. Um, Stack it up neatly by the trash can. Somebody with some good eyes will get it, like me. Cause I stay on a thrift. Let me stop on the clearance rack, honey. On a budget, we budgeting. Those weaves that are human hair with glass, sparkles, and diamonds up in there, woven in the hair fabrics, they look really good in the light. I swear they do. But for the corona and your kids, or your budget, or your rent, or your to your little pets, you might have one fish that you just love. I had a fish. I loved that fish. She lived for 3 years, and the day it died, I was really like sad for real. It was weird. Incorporate your church shoes in your lifestyle. That's what I do. But I was thinking about this church hat. Y'all know I'm so crazy, right? Awesome. If I was at church, could I wear it with this hair? But I would be hot. It's okay, ladies. I did PSA. Don't die for this stuff. Your hair, your waist trainer is finna be 100 plus degrees in some area. Please don't die for this waist trainer. Please don't sweat. I had a lady, she was overheating. I said, well, ma'am, I was fanning her, and I said, well, ma'am, you know, if you take off your wig, you will cool down a lot faster. And she said, I'm going to die with my wig on. So we started cuffing her sleeves and her pant legs. Please help your neighbors, help your loved ones, help strangers. If they need to be helped safely, not on no picking up random and it's not in your spirit type stuff. So I did want to know, it's the corona. Bow. Are y'all ready? Do y'all got y'all flashlights and y'all batteries and y'all candles, honey? If something really, really happen, are you ready for you got canned goods? You got food that you can eat that is not, um, whatever, something. Get a plan. Get a safety plan. Get a fire plan. Talk to y'all kids about matches and fire and stuff. Cause I'm going through that with my kid now. You know I got 52, 50. It's like between 52 and 62. But they're my babies. I love y'all. I do this for y'all on a budget. Or I was thinking this could be like a Friday at work type, cause I put a little shine on it. Can't really see it on the camera, but I put a little up here. But you can see a bit. I put a touch. That's why I went with this lip. A touch, a bit. Everything don't have to be over dramatized and over criticized. Well, let's not over dramatize things and let's not over criticize things since I went there. All these shades for if I'm feeling hot. But these be hot too now. I used to could wear shades. I be overheating your girl. Can't have no more kids. I'm done. If I have another kid, I'm gonna be like obese. Like nothing wrong with that body type though. But I just don't want to be due to having a kid. I want to make my own eating decisions. So, lighters for our essential care pack. Batteries, flashlight, radio, a bat, or some type of switchblade. No guns. We can fight it out. No nukes. We're not gonna nuke it out. No choppers. For the cop. Hey, don't need no thunder clapping. So just for doomsday, or if something really was to happen, are you prepared mentally and physically? Not saying that something's gonna happen like that, but are you prayed up? Or are you amped up? Do you got your guns, like not guns, but like your mental together if something do happen? Are you gonna crack under pressure? Are you gonna break? Are you gonna collapse? Are you gonna keep your sanity and your cool? Are you gonna be cool, calm, and collected like you said? I'm so tired of people saying they cool, calm, and collective and they be like crazy nuts and frantically out of they mask. Everybody not cool, calm, and collected. It's just fun to say. Stop lying. That's the not right dating advice. If you join me through that. What else did I want to talk to you guys about? I'm just feeling this swag with this in my hair. Like, how would I make it? That's how I be end up pulling this stuff off because I be like trying to do stuff and I can't. But this is cool. I see a lot of young ladies wearing this and I'm like dark chocolate, melt in your mouth, not in your hands. And that's why I want the black roots because I knew it would blend better instead of just like a black blonde, honey. But it's the black root blonde. Okay, let me do my little get rid of the teeth thing because I love it. I'm going to try to see if I can do it off the top of my head. Okay. What do we have for color of the day, wig of the day? We have gravesite at the top. Just let me stop. Got a little graveyard at the top with a beautiful sunshine morning. No, wait. Icy snow at the bottom. Got snow and gravesite. Okay. That was a wonderful try. That's why he is really good at that. Like I love when he do that. So, what did we learn for today? The only time I exercise is with y'all. But still, y'all keep me going. I ain't got no time for this. Y'all keep me going. Y'all know what my underarms look like. But I guess we'll see if it's a difference for 2 a day. But lean back, do some stuff, watch some. You know what they got? They got some videos where you can sit down and exercise for like 5 minutes. I think her name like Paula B or something. But she show you how to sit down and exercise. Like she be getting it. Get your game up. Get your game tight. Learn something new today. Cause you all right. If you got a business, keep working, girl. Cause you got that. You got that. Well, sir, you got that, sir. Oh, boy, you got that. Oh, girl, you got that. Oh, woman, you got that. Miss Lady, Miss Ma'am, whoever you are, wherever you are. Women are the future. We coming. We coming. Two. We got two toes on deck. We coming. Y'all counted us out. Y'all looked over us. Y'all stepped over us. Y'all underpaid us. But we coming. We knocking like the police. We coming to get our. I'm coming. We coming. And we coming. But today, I think I covered everything. Yes. Oh. Hey. Get you a journal. This is my other little journal. Get you a journal. Get in touch with yourself and who you used to be and why things are the way they are and what you regret and don't regret and the shame and the guilt. Because if you read back over your things, you can say, oh, this is a cycle in my life. I recognize that. I need to fix that. I don't want to do that for the next 10 or 5 or 18 or 2 days. Cut it off. I got some people I can't call and I'm not calling. I blocked them and I'm going to keep my word and not unblock anybody. Keeping my blocks blocked. Loving on your loved ones every day while I'm away. I love y'all. So, do it. It's you. You could do it, boo.